what I've read in the social media is just dead wrong. It's not like the mainstream media where we have editors and we have people who fact check things, and there's a responsibility, and nothing really gets printed unless there's sources and all the good practice that newspapers have and that journalists have in general. That just goes out the window when you're talking about the social media. Anybody can post any lie or any speculation they want to up on the internet, and it takes on a life of its own. So it is a difficult situation. I'm not sure it makes it so difficult for us, but I think it makes it difficult for the victims. I think it makes it difficult for the community. It gets people all riled up about things that are sometimes just dead wrong, and we have to stay focused. We don't want to try this case in social media nor in the media. Our obligation as lawyers is to go into court, as prosecutors, present the evidence, judge, or in some cases a jury makes the decision. So we're seeing all this information that's dead wrong, and yet we really don't have much ability to do anything about it. I think this is unusual. The facts of the case, tragically, are not that unusual, but everything surrounding the case, in the social media particularly, has been unusual. From the initial night when information was being texted back and forth, to the postings on the internet. The net result, I guess what bothers me is the net result is that, it's always difficult for a victim, any victim. It's tough for any victim to testify. I think it's particularly tough for a victim who is a victim of a sexual assault. Even more tough, more difficult if that victim of a sexual assault is a juvenile. So here we have a 16-year-old victim who went through the event, is going to have to testify. But in addition, and I think this is what's unusual about this case, in addition to that, she's been subjected to continuing victimization, really. She continue to be victimized by the social media.